Welcome to Real Nice Guyana, my friends, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're going to be doing pot bake, which is another traditional Guyanese recipe. And for this recipe, we're going to be using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of grated nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of butter, and half a cup of warm water. So that's all the ingredients we need for this delicious pot bake. And pot bake, as the name would tell you, it's usually made in a pot, but people don't always make it in a pot. They make it in a pan, a frying pan. They make it on a tawa as well. Today our version is going to be in a pan, and I'll show you what our pan looks like. Just consider the pan to be a short pot. So we're going to be doing our pot bake in this pan, frying pan, which looks like a mini pot. So same thing. So to begin with, guys, we're going to add our flour to our mixing bowl. And we're going to add the salt, sugar, yeast, and our grated nutmeg. And we're going to mix that together well. So once you have mixed those together, you're going to add your butter next. You want to mix this in well now. So you're just going to mix it with your hands until the butter has mixed in well. Like that. And then you're going to add your water. So you're going to use how much water you need to get your dough to the consistency that it has to be. So it's not going to be exactly half a cup of water. So we are using more water. So that's it there now, guys. That's the consistency you want your dough to be. And this dough is ready. So we're going to leave this now for it to rise. You're going to just wrung it out a bit. Cover this with a... You're going to cover this with a damp paper towel or whatever you have to prevent the moisture from escaping. Like that. So we're going to set it aside now. I'll let it rise. Alright, my friends, so we left our dough to rise here for about 45 minutes. And we're going to have a look at it now and continue. So there you go, you can see it has risen. Okay guys, so what you're going to do now, we're going to take this out of our bowl and we're going to form our pot bake. We have our pan there. So we're going to work on this surface, our countertop surface. So you want to roll it out, like spread it out a bit. When it cooks, because it has the yeast, it's going to rise, it's going to get a lot thicker. So we're just giving it a little roll to make it a bit uniform in the thickness. So we're just gonna make some little holes with our fork here to help it to cook inside faster. That's it. So now we're gonna put this in our pan. Alright my friends, so we are using a non-stick pan, so we're gonna put it in our pan. There you go. So we have put it on our stove now guys, and we are setting our stove to medium. So we're gonna cover this guys and let it cook. So we are giving this a slow heat my friends, and this is about 6 minutes, and we're gonna show you it's rising a little bit. So we're gonna flip it over soon. And this is smelling so good. It's smelling up the kitchen. So guys, it's about 7 minutes or so. So we're gonna flip our bake now. And we're gonna use a plate to do that. You hear that? The other side is cooked. Put the plate on top. There you go. Look at that. Alright my friends, so in order to flip this now, we're gonna transfer it to another plate and in a reverse operation. So there we have it. So you put the pot over it and there, just like that. So we're gonna cover it back and cook it some more. So we just give the other side a little check guys, and it needs to cook a little more. So we're gonna just leave it for another maybe 2 minutes or so. And then this should be done. Alright guys, so it took about 11-12 minutes total time for us here now. So our second side is done. So we're gonna remove this from our pot. Our pot bake is ready. So there you go. Now look at that. See how thick it's gotten? So it has risen well, cooked well. So there it is guys, our pot bake. So we're gonna cut this up, and this usually goes with saltfish. You can have it with saltfish, you can have it with butter, whatever you like. So once this is done, you're gonna apply some butter to it. So we're gonna cut into this and show you guys. So look at that. Okay guys, so we're gonna put some saltfish and some butter so you guys can see. So what do you like your pot bake with guys? Do you like it with saltfish, or you like it with butter, or what do you like it with? Let us know in the comments down below. So we're gonna put some butter on this one. So we'll have it both ways. Wow. You can just imagine the taste there already. So as I said guys, this is a pot bake, but usually people make them in a pan, they make them on a tower as well. If you make it on a tower, you get a basin and you cover it so it rises. And that's it guys. So if you like this recipe, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Please share this video also, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.